Why just start it and stop it so it creates a new DVD chapter?
Why did I think of that?
I thought it was that Sarah girl. That place with the Katy Tiger. It's not the pictures. You remember her, right? She took that for us and actually yeah. That's her.
Where's Carlos? Is he coming?
Yeah. Look, I made a lady Stroh's bracelet. I got a star on it.
You need a little lady now.
Oh yeah, because like Lady Strode.
Like a little girl.
I only have a smiley face.
That'll work.
How would that work?
Yeah, like a lady.
Why did you do that? How'd you pull that out of your pocket?
Really?
My protein shake, I use it for me.
I feel like that's a lot.
You put it in his pocket. How? Like, are your pockets like?
Yeah, do you get smell?
Yes.
I was gonna go practice with you on Thursday. Because Ray never called me back. He's like, y'all be practicing. Just let me know y'all can be
He
out.
said that you didn't text him back.
No, he was supposed to call me back because he was like weather was a little bit crazy. And so just let me know y'all on practice.
I was lying. I don't know what
You see, you didn't. Trying to stick up for your daddy. I can't believe we lost that game.
Ouch. We're playing the slam right now.
We would have been playing air person if we were water.
The slam are really good.
They're alright. Well, they got two teams, the older team and the younger team.
Oh, we're playing the younger one? I've only played the older one. And they're okay. That's cool.
The younger one?
Yeah.
Just look at that.
That's my principal. I don't even know his name.
We played
Yeah, I've been from like 5 to 2 years. And they said like they got like second in that. Yeah, I was like, what was your
I
special?
think we used to live over here. Yeah, that's the thing that they have.
Yeah, it's they're gonna overthrow it or something. Because this base is gonna like drop it. That's what happened to
And
me.
what's they going
Oh yeah, I hit the ball like straight down right there.
every play. First he said she's safe, now he said you're gonna hit it.
Safe? Safe?
No, he said they hit her.
Oh yeah, so I hit it like right there, like right on the line right there, and I beat out the throw. I beat out the throw. Yes, me! I did! That was crazy. Did you see the goats like over there?
Huh?
Like the goats and the lambs?
Yeah, I was about to cook one. Make the cabrito. You ever ate some of that?
Yeah.
Every weekend.
Oh, that's a lie. It must feel like disgusting every time you eat it. I feel disgusting. It's disgusting. Like if you really think about
bottom, right? And then I wear like one of these, right? But I wanted a long sleeve cotton, so I put another long sleeve cotton underneath.
Alright,
I wanted
choose.
like another microfiber on top.
Why?
And then I saw another shirt that I liked, so I wanted that one too. This one. So you see, I got the cotton.
Stupid.
I got a little rhythm going on.
So you just put them on. You like to put that many on because you just like it?
Well, if it gets dirty, I can just take one off.
Are you being serious?
Move on to the next one.
No, he's not being serious.
There's a legit reason why you wear that many shirts. You're just not telling us.
Wow, yeah. My dad said like one day it was really hot and you were ready practicing and you took off like 3 shirts. It was like,
I was watching a real close coach. One day you're
you were ready to practice.
like around the practice.
Yeah. I'm gonna go tell my dad the reason why you wear so many shirts. My dad's over there.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, probably. Dad! Oh, yeah. Everyone thinks we're too stupid.
I'm a G.
It's like Camacho and then Richard's right underneath it.
Oh! What about Aaron's dad?
Who?
Aaron's dad.
He's just
He's like,
I'm not trying to be funny. Aaron's dad's just something
serious. Oh yeah, and I hate when Jason's like, hey, what's up, bro?
serious.
Yeah, he went to chapter. For the rodeo?
You spent $200.
Oh my god.
You're gonna wear how many times?
So $100 a day. $100 a day, right?
I got him in the car. I'm thinking about putting them on.
That's $100 a day for rodeo.
That's the way we roll.
Like, that's $300.
Y'all going to the rodeo or what?
I want to go see the bull.
Oh, snap. Me too. I got some tickets. Be like dollars.
Do you really have tickets?
Yeah. Got 4 tickets. Take them. Oh, yeah? I don't know. I'm telling you, give me some tickets and go sell mine.
Mom, when I go to the rodeo, can I see Pitbull? Obviously, she would have held the conversation. I want to go see Pitbull. Oh yeah, and like my aunt, she's white. Yeah. Anyway, she has her hair up too.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah, it is
A
weird.
lot of white people.
I have to call her like Tia Jenny. She's like, call me Tia Jenny. I like to be called Tia Jenny. Or I want to hit a battery. Anyways, she like, you know that Mexican man that always goes to the rodeo like over here? Well, yeah, she would like ask my grandma. My grandma doesn't like that type of music. Ooh, I have that bat. I got like 3 bats this year.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I got the Zeno and then I got the CF5 and then I got the Newsy.
You have this.
You can have the CF5. No, actually, you can have my old Zeno because I really like the CF5.
Why do you want one?
It's my place alcohol.
For real? With the girl?
She can't use milk, but she's yeah, they're all like 30.
Yeah.
No, but where's the other one?
No, the other one, yeah, she got out. She's still.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she got top sticker. Let me just rewind it.
Oh, yeah.
I get a new chapter.
Yeah, this chapter. there.
Like I want to take one of those people.
Just pet him.
Oh, I got to pet them. They're so adorable. Do you have a dog?
Ten of them.
No, he does not.
Yeah, dogs every day of the week.
Yeah. Oh,
What's your Monday dog?
Monday. Monday.
Monday?
That's pretty good. I'm gonna write that down. Come up with something clever.
well, if you have to think about it.
Man, this game's like taking forever. What time? We're gonna be able to watch y'all.
You're probably going to be behind too.
So that game started at 5:50. Actually, it started early. Uh-oh, new chapter.
We're at